Imagine asking a standard AI assistant to analyze your company's Q3 churn rate. This dashboard shows what often happens next. The system generates a perfectly formatted, highly confident response that is entirely fabricated. Professionals usually have one of two reactions to this. They either blindly trust the made-up numbers and pass them straight to their boss, or they decide the tool is a useless toy and permanently close the window. This failure is one of information, not intelligence. A system designed to predict the next word has no choice but to improvise when it is locked out of the organization's actual data. Take a look at this executive. Imagine you hire a brilliant vice president who steps into your lobby on their very first day. They have exceptional reasoning skills and years of industry knowledge. But if you push them straight into a strategy meeting and ask them to explain last month's pricing dispute without handing them the client files, they have to guess. Large language models operate under this exact constraint. They possess the cognitive ability to synthesize information, but they are completely disconnected from your organization's brain. They are permanent day-one employees. Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, acts as a targeted onboarding process. It bridges the gap by pulling specific evidence into the conversation at the exact moment it is needed. Retrieval Augmented Generation connects the AI to external data precisely at the moment you ask a question. The exact second you submit a prompt about a specific project, the system intercepts your request. This diagram shows the retrieve phase. The query routes around the AI and points directly into a separate database holding your internal files. This search is gated by your existing identity permissions. The retrieval engine only indexes and scans documents that your specific user account is already authorized to open. The system extracts relevant fragments from your CRM, policy manuals, and notes, bundling them into a single verified reference packet. This entire sequence executes in a matter of milliseconds, completely hidden from the user. By completing this step first, the AI is now equipped with hard evidence. Its role has shifted from guessing a plausible answer to reading the facts. Now we reach the generate phase. The language model is finally permitted to process your original question, but it operates under a strict architectural constraint. The system forces the AI to compose its answer using only the information inside that retrieved reference packet, locking it out of its broader, generalized training data. This process is distinct from model fine-tuning. Fine-tuning permanently bakes new information into the AI's core memory. RAG does not. It is also highly automated, avoiding the tedious, unscalable process where a user manually copies and pastes 20 pages of text into a chat window. Instead, RAG operates as a dynamic, real-time workflow. It ensures the AI directs its reasoning capabilities exclusively at the evidence placed directly in front of it. Large language models are technically stateless. Between queries, they retain absolutely no inherent memory of your company's operations. This timeline illustrates how RAG overcomes that statelessness. It injects targeted context at the exact moment a new query appears. This architecture creates three direct benefits for a professional. First, it drives accuracy. Because the system filters out irrelevant organizational data before the AI ever sees it, the model stays tightly focused on the problem at hand. Second, it guarantees strict traceability. Every claim the AI generates can be cited back to a specific source document in your database. Third, it maintains security. By grounding the search in your existing permission layers, the system ensures that sensitive data remains hidden from anyone without the proper credentials. Together, focus, traceability, and security transform a generic chat interface into a verifiable enterprise tool. Ultimately, Retrieval Augmented Generation does not make the underlying AI model any smarter. It simply enforces a non-negotiable rule. The AI must read your organization's reality before it speaks. Look at this split dynamic. The human professional remains the ultimate expert, reviewing the cited output and making the final decisions. RAG ensures that your digital assistant arrives at the table with the right files in hand.